What if a police officer calls you and says they want you to come down to the station and talk to them? What about if they just want to ask you some questions over the phone? That seems harmless, right? Do you have to talk to them? Do you have to call them back if they leave you a message? Hi, my name's Dale Savage and I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Charleston, South Carolina. Today we're talking about what you should do if police call you in for questioning. The number one rule in this situation is never go talk to the police voluntarily without your lawyer present. You're not going to help yourself. You're not going to be able to talk your way out of any situation that may exist. If you have information that you think is important, give it to your lawyer and let them advise you what you should do with that. A lot of times people will say, I have nothing to hide. Even if you think you have nothing to hide, don't do it. Don't go down and talk to police on your own. Why? Because you may make a mistake or misstate a fact when talking to police. And if police think this omission is intentional, you could end up facing an obstruction of justice charge, which in South Carolina is a felony. I've seen this tactic used a number of times by police. Anything you say to police is being recorded, documented, or interpreted by the police. You may deny that you're with a certain person. You may admit that you were at a certain location at a certain time. Now you're looking at the possibility of facing an obstruction charge if that turns out to not be true. You may have simply forgotten some of the details about who you were with or where you were. It doesn't matter. Once you've communicated that information to police voluntarily as part of their investigation, they will now use it against you. Which leads me to the first question you should be asking yourself if police want you to come in for questioning. Do you legally have to speak to police if they ask you to come in for questioning, or even answer some of their questions over the phone? That seems harmless, right? Wrong. You are still talking to law enforcement and they are still documenting what you tell them. More importantly, there is no legal requirement that you have to go to the police station and voluntarily talk to the police. So the answer to that question is no. You do not have to voluntarily talk to police. And you should not talk to police without first talking to your lawyer. Even if police make it sound like you have to talk to them, legally you are not required to. So, if police contact you and want to talk to you, never do this without your lawyer. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.